the head of the family. Letter H. He's now the head of the family. I'm not invalidating the roles of the parents, pero top 1 to top 2 ang isa sa mga dahilan ng pag-aaway ng mag-asawa o ng couples. Nakikialam ang mga lakas doon lakas pandarito. Baby ko yan, kahit kasal yan ako masusunod, baby ko yan eh. No. Kaya ang dami nag-aaway kasi sumasaw-saw ang mga I'm not invalidating the roles of the parents. Pero right now po, parents, si Ronald na po ang head of the box, ang head of his family. Pero Ronald, seek wisdom and advice to the elders. May wisdom po ron because been there, done that sila. You ask for advice. Pero at the end of the day, it's your call. It's your decision. It's your family. Maliwanag po ba yun? Because you are now head of the family. Let's give him a round of applause and push bilang head of the family. Kaya mo yun, Ronald, no?